Hey designers, it's Elizabeth from Designer Up, and it's Watch Me Work Wednesday, where I show you how to apply a UI UX resource or tool to your workflow like a professional designer in 5 minutes or less. Hi everyone, I'm back again with a cool little tool that I've found, and today we're looking at remove backgrounds. Remove.bg is a great little website, and it does one simple thing. It removes the backgrounds from your images. And this is really useful in UI, visual design, making graphic elements. There are times when you just want to add your own themes or you just want to clean up the background of something that's messy, and this is the perfect tool for it. So let me show you how it works in application. So one way that I commonly use this is for images of people. And so I'm just going to head over to Unsplash, and I found this really cool image by Prince Akachi. And I'm going to upload this image into remove.bg. It just takes a couple of seconds, and that's it. It removed the background. And so now if I go over to my sketch file, I have this section at the bottom of my page that shows the community. And I've just created a square here, and I'm going to select it, change the background to something cool that contrasts. And then I'm going to drag her image in. I'm going to mask it and then continue to reduce like so. And how cool is that? This is something that you can use for your own profile images or using it in testimonials like this for your users. And another cool way is to use it at larger sizes in your heroes. So let me show you an example of that. So back over here, I'm going to upload another image, and there it goes to work, cleanly removing that background. I'm going to go ahead and download this to my desktop, and then switching back over here, drop that image in, and boom, how cool does that look? This is a great way to add a little spice to your heroes. We do a lot of neat things with these kinds of tools in our product design master course and in our product design manual. So if you're interested in that, come check us out over at designerup.co. So really cool, simple tool. I highly recommend you check it out. And you can watch me developing this design by checking out some of the other Watch Me Work videos on this channel or in this playlist at the end of the video. So that's it, guys. I hope you found this useful. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button and stay subscribed for more Watch Me Work Wednesdays. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon.